Tired of spending countless hours manually installing operating systems and applications on multiple computers? Well, get ready to reclaim your time because in this video, we're diving into how the Microsoft Deployment Toolkit, or MDT, can completely revolutionize your system deployment process. First, download and install the Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit, also known as Windows ADK, which provides the necessary tools for MDT to function. Next, download and install the Microsoft Deployment Toolkit. Now, let's create a deployment share. Open the Deployment Workbench, right-click on Deployment Shares, and select New Deployment Share. Follow the wizard, specifying a location for your share, naming it, and setting permissions. Time to import your operating system in the Deployment Workbench. Expand your deployment share, right-click on Operating Systems, and choose Import Operating System. Select Full Source Operating System and point to your Windows Installation Media or ISO file. Complete the wizard to import. Let's add some applications. Right-click on Applications and select New Application. Choose Application with Source Files and specify the directory containing your application's installation files. Fill in the necessary details and complete the wizard. The heart of your deployment is the task sequence. Right-click on Task Sequences and select New Task Sequence. Give it a name and ID. Select a template, typically Standard Client Task Sequence. Choose your operating system, enter your product key if required, and configure administrator password settings. Now, customize your task sequence in the Task Sequence Editor. You can add or remove steps to install applications, configure settings, and join the domain. Drag and drop actions to create the perfect deployment process. Integrate with Windows Deployment Services, or WDS. To boot your target computers over the network, configure WDS to point to your MDT boot image located within your deployment share. Finally, boot your target computer from the network. It will load the MDT boot image and start the deployment process defined in your task sequence. Follow the prompts, and MDT will automate the installation of your operating system and applications.